Hello, this is Rosie, and Tyler, and I guess I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just bored, but please subscribe if you subscribe good things, and if you subscribe questions, I might just answer back to them. Oh, and please subscribe videos that I can watch, so I can into my next video I can rate them. And since this is my first one, I'm not going to show my face. And yeah, if you do subscribe, please subscribe. Good ones. Please do thumbs up. And that's it. No, seriously, that's it. You don't have to be watching anymore. Okay? Seriously, just stop.